NoFace AI review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about this software called NoFace AI. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? For that, you will find a link below my video which will be saying grab NoFace AI copy here and click on that link. Then you will come to the sales page. And let me give you discount coupons before we start. So the discount coupon is right here. You can use NoFace AI 5 off to get $5 off across the funnel, or try to use 30% discount code NoFace AI 30. So try to use these two red coupon codes and see which one gives you maximum discount. And if you want some bonuses, then my bonus URL is already linked with the sales page. So when you go and buy using my link, you will get my bonuses. And what those bonuses are, to know, you have to watch this video till the end, because I don't discuss the bonuses in the beginning. So you have to watch the video till the end to know what the bonuses are and how to make money online. So on the sales page, it says this new AI app let you launch done for you self-updating affiliate website and review videos in 60 seconds without writing, without any coding. Faceless reviews across YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, and Reels, this and that, this and that. Okay. So all you have to do is keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling without losing hope. Keep scrolling until you find the demo video somewhere. So let's see if we can find the demo video for you on the sales page. Let's not lose hope. And we got the demo video. So let's play this demo video. I'm going to show you the demo video right here. Okay. It is a 2 minutes long demo video only. So let me fast forward this for you. So you're going to create some short clips, maybe 20 seconds long videos. And also you will have a website where the review will be there with the video. And if somebody will buy from you, then you make money. Okay, cool, right? So go and buy this if you want to, because even if you do not want this software, but still if you want my bonuses, which we're going to talk about in the end, still you have to go and buy using my link below just for the bonuses. So this is the video which you can see, say 17 seconds long, as you can see the duration. So this video will be on the website as well. So they will be creating a website with the review along with these videos. Okay. And then the last video, I can show you one more here. So this is one more sample. There you go. So you can go and watch the demo video in your free time on the sales page. It's a 2 minutes long demo video only. So let's come down and see if we have any question answers at the bottom. So keep scrolling, and where are we? Okay, do I need to show my face? No. What happens to my website and list if my channel gets banned? Nothing. Well, they have a website hosted somewhere else. So your YouTube channel or Instagram channel has got nothing to do with their website. So your website and your email list, if you grow, will stay as it is. How much can I realistically make? Nobody knows. Do I need tech skills? No. Do I need my own API keys? No, you don't. How is this different? So we'll read everything here. Why is it different as per them? And are there any monthly fees? No, that's what they say. If you use the coupon code, you can technically get it almost for free. So if they're charging you $14 and then I give you a discount of $5, $9 is nothing. Okay. What if I'm not happy with it? They have money back guarantee. So go and grab this, whether you want this NoFace AI or not. But if you want my bonuses, then you have to go and buy this using my link below. And then we have the funnel right here, I guess. So these are the OTOs you can pick and choose. So you can buy the unlimited version, the OTO one, if you want to make maximum videos. Okay, so go and pick and choose, buy this, and now watch the video till the end. If you want to know what my bonuses are and how to make real money online, watch till the end. Alrighty, humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for Review to Profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for Review to Profit AI, okay, to know how this works. But it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kish Hacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you, okay? Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is, okay? And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading, okay? So in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos, okay? So the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget, okay? Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic, okay? So when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks, okay? So go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever, okay? So go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there, okay? What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes, okay? So you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing, okay? Or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kish Hacking is I'm giving you as a bonus, okay? Because as you can see here, I'm selling Kish Hacking separately and I'm selling this Review to Profit separately as well, okay? But if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus, okay? So how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically, okay? Otherwise, you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually, okay? And if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free, okay? I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy, okay? So what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds, okay? Make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value, okay? I told you I sell this separately, okay? So maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, $10, $12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus, okay? So only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker, okay? Anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.